Hello everyone. We will solve one interesting question today. It is given by 8 square to the power 1000 minus 4 cube to the power 1000. So what we can do, we can start with, we can do this 8 multiplied by 8 to the power 1000, because 8 square means 2 times will multiply 8 to the power 1000 minus 4 to the power 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 3 times to the power 1000. Second step, what we can do is we can little bit simplify it, and what we can do, we can take 8 as 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 1000, we can separate it and separate multiply 8 to the power 1000. 8 to the power 1000. Now minus, we can take 2 4, that is 4 multiplied by 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by 1 4 we can take separately. Why? Because we have to take something common in the next step. So 4 to the power 1000 as it is. So in the next step, what we can do, we can take this 4 multiplied by 2, we can take 4 to the power 1000, we can separate 4 and 2. 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by 2 to the power 1000, and then again we can take, or we can keep 8 to the power 1000 as it is. 8 to the power 1000 as it is, minus in the second term, what we can do, we can split the remaining to 4 also, that is 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by 4 to the power 1000, and the third 4 to the power 1000 we can keep as it is, 4 to the power 1000. Now what we can do, we can take this 4 to the power 1000 and we can take this 2 to the power 1000 as it is, and 8 to the power 1000 we can split to 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by 2 to the power 1000. Why? Because we can take 4 to the power 1000 square common, and the second term as it is, minus 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by again 4 to the power 1000. So that we, in the next step, what we can take, we can take 4 to the power 1000 whole square common from both the terms. That means 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by 4 to the power 1000. We can take it common. So what will be remaining? In the first term, remaining will be 2 to the power 1000 multiplied by 2 to the power 1000, and in the second term 4 to the power 1000 only remains. So what we can do, we can take 4 multiplied by 4 and we can take the power common, that is 4 multiplied by 4 to the power 1000, and the common terms are 2 to the power 1000, that also we can take 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 1000 minus 4 to the power 1000 as it is, 4 to the power 1000. Now what we can see, this one is 4 multiplied by 4, we can take the product as 16 to the power 1000. 16 to the power 1000 multiplied by the common product is also this 4 to the power 1000. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 to the power 1000, and we can see the second term is also minus 4 to the power 1000. We can see that 4 to the power 1000 and minus 4 to the power 1000, this get cancelled and it becomes 0. It is similar like 1 minus 1 is 0. So we are left with 16 to the power 1000 multiplied by this thing which is 0. So what we can write now, the 16 to the power 1000 is one term and multiplied by second term is 0. So if this term will be multiplied by 0, will be obviously answer is 0. So 0 is the final term. So which is the final answer.